Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you tons of tips and tricks on how you can get this glowy skin. Okay, your body, your skin, your makeup is going to glow to the glow gods and they're going to be really proud of you if you learn little tips and tricks. Whenever I meet people, they always tell me, how come you wear so much makeup but we can't tell you're wearing it? How come it's not cakey? So I have been using the MAC strobe cream constantly. I mix it in with everything that I use to dilute the makeup and to make it look very soft and skin-like. So yeah, if you want to know those tips and tricks on how to get a very light, beautiful base using the MAC strobe cream, then please continue watching. Okay you guys, so I have my MAC strobe cream right here. This is in the shade Pink Light. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this, just a dot, just a pea-size amount. I'm just gonna warm it up and then apply this as a primer. So I'm gonna take the strobe cream now and mix it in with my face moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to take the MAC Studio Moisture Strobe Cream. This is one of my favorite creams to use before makeup. You can tell it's completely empty. It's got a little bit there. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of the two and start mixing them together. And all you want to do is start applying this to your face as your regular moisturizer. Alright you guys, so this is it with my moisturizer. It looks so healthy, so dewy, so juicy. I think the skin looks beautiful, but I'm going to show you how to intensify the glow. I'm going to go in and take the MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the shade NC35. So that's my foundation right there, and for that extra glow, I'm going to take the Pink Light once again. I'm just going to mix the two and start applying that on my face. When I used to see celebrities and known personalities up close, their skin used to be so beautiful, and I wonder, how do they put on so much makeup and it still looks like skin? Like, what is the secret behind it? How come it's so diluted and looks so beautiful? It's because I feel they're mixing a lot of products, like they're mixing the illuminating cream into the foundation like we did. And obviously my personal favorite is the strobe cream. Like, I have finished one entire bottle. This is another one that I'm using. And it just melts the foundation in and also gives you that shine that you need, you know. So I'm just going to contour my face now. I'm taking this palette by MAC. It's the Medium Dark Studio Fix Sculpt palette, and I'm just going to start contouring and bronzing. For blush, I'm just going to throw on some MAC Peachy Keen. This is such a stunning blush. Just going to put on some mascara, just like 1 or 2 coats. So what I'm going to do is take again a little bit of the strobe cream at the back of my hand. Take that on my beauty sponge and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. So like you can see, it's bringing that glow back to my face. I'm also going to go so far as to take it down my cheek. So when I smile, you can see that pop of glow. Now you can also take it with your finger and you can just apply this at the high points, like above your brow bone. It just brings the whole look together, like this portion. And I'm just going to go above my nose. Just a little bit there. A little bit on my cupid's bow. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply some powder highlight over my strobe cream. Okay, so I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle. This is like a cult highlighter. All of you must have this in your kit. I love this stuff. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and what I'm going to do is apply it on top very lightly. I'm going to graze the highlighter, and automatically you'll just see that it's going boom. It's just illuminating the skin, which is just my favorite thing to do when I'm doing my base makeup. There you go. That's your wet, beautiful drip-in highlighter effect. I'm just gonna throw on some MAC Meher on my lips. Okay, you guys, now that I'm done with my skin, I'm going to move on to my body, because you're glowing up here and all of this is just flat, and that's not what we want. I never step out without adding the strobe cream to my body. Like, I always add an illuminating cream. So either you can put, again, take a little bit on your hand and you can put in your body moisturizer. So I've mixed in my body moisturizer in it, and I'm just going to warm it up. And I'm just going to apply that everywhere. Can you see the glow automatically? You can either do that, but I always go the extra mile and I make sure I highlight my collarbone and my shoulders as well. So I'm taking a little bit of the strobe cream once again, and I'm just going to apply that on my collarbone. You can also apply a little bit, if you're wearing a deep neck top, you can definitely apply a little bit here, just for some shine, and also on your shoulders. My favorite thing to do is set it with a highlighter. This is the Soft and Gentle once again, and I'm just gonna go over the MAC strobe cream that I put earlier, and I'm just going to set the body highlighter so it doesn't move the entire day and my body is glistening. Okay, you guys, we're almost done. I want to put in some more blush, but I'm thinking instead of powder, why not I just use the MAC strobe cream again with a little bit of lipstick, like, you know. So if you have any like lipstick lying around, this is my favorite Meher. I've got like at least 5 Mehers. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of lipstick at the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna put the strobe cream, okay, right there, and I'm just gonna mix the two and we'll see what happens. Like, just mix the two and then you can see the glow, and apply this on your cheek, and it's gonna look really, really pretty because we've not put a lot of powder, so it's gonna look so beautiful. What I'm gonna do is set it with my mini Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I am never without these two. Like, these are my most favorite items in my vanity. So I'm just going to spritz my face for that extra dew. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. You can see how amazing my skin is looking without having to do much. Like, I have not caked on foundation, I've not put heavy contour bronzer. I've made sure that I mixed the strobe cream with everything that I was using, so it just came together and it just is cohesive. You know, my body as well as my face and my skin in general is looking super glowy. I do this a lot when I go out for a special occasion or for award shows, and you can do this for weddings and stuff, you know, still look very simple and very skin-like and beautiful. Like, you can see the glow. When the light's hitting your face, it's going to look so delicious and yummy. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to check out the offers down below, and the link to everything will be in the bottom bar. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.